Good morning, everyone. Today, I will be presenting on the evolution of connectivity, mobile wireless versus wireless LAN. This presentation explores how communication technology has transformed from basic analog voice calls into the modern, high-speed digital landscape we use today. On this slide, we distinguish between two primary wireless technologies. First is mobile wireless, also known as WWAN, Wide Area Network, designed for broad coverage across cities and countries. Second is wireless LAN, or WLAN, which we use for local environments like homes, offices, and campuses. These two technologies have developed in parallel to create our always connected world. Let's look at the foundational stages. In the 1980s, 1G was introduced as an analog system that only supported voice calls. For WLAN, the first Wi-Fi standard arrived later in 1997 with very limited speeds of about 2 megabits per second. At this stage, wireless communication was functional but extremely basic. A major shift occurred in the 1990s as networks moved to 2G, marking the transition to digital signals. This era introduced SMS text messaging and improved security. Simultaneously, Wi-Fi improved with the 802.11b standard, offering faster speeds that allowed it to be adopted in professional and public spaces. In the 2000s, the rise of smartphones drove the need for better data. 3G networks enabled true mobile internet browsing with speeds up to 14 megabits per second. During this time, Wi-Fi performance also jumped to 54 megabits per second. This allowed users to begin using mobile devices for data-heavy tasks, like checking emails and sharing photos. By the 2000s, we entered the high-speed era with 4G LTE, pushing mobile speeds to 100 megabits per second. WLAN technology saw even bigger leaps with the 802.11n and 802.11ac standards, reaching several gigabits per second. This high bandwidth enabled the app economy, including HD video streaming on YouTube and Netflix, and real-time services like Uber. We are now firmly in the era of 5G. With speeds exceeding 1 gigabit per second and ultra-low latency, 5G is the backbone for the Internet of Things, IoT. Interestingly, the performance gap between mobile data and Wi-Fi is narrowing. Looking ahead, future technologies like 6G and Wi-Fi 7 will provide even more seamless and instantaneous connectivity. The key takeaway from this evolution is that every decade has seen a significant increase in speed and capacity. We have moved from simple voice calls to high-bandwidth, real-time digital experiences that have completely transformed how we communicate globally. This table summarizes the journey. 1G gave us voice, 2G gave us text, 3G brought the internet to our pockets, 4G enabled high-definition media, and 5G is now powering IoT and ultra-fast data. Each generation has fundamentally improved both functionality and speed. Finally, looking toward the future, we are moving beyond simple connectivity. We are integrating gigabit speeds and IoT into every aspect of life. With the upcoming rollout of Wi-Fi 7 and the development of 6G networks, the ultimate goal is a fully connected world with virtually no limitations on data or distance. Thank you for your time and attention.